friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. I know you've probably seen a lot of these little hats all over the internet, but today I'm going to show you how I made mine. This is going to be a two-part video because the second part is I'm going to show you how I made these little hats to fit and make a little snowman. Isn't he cute? And all I've used is a toilet paper roll and a roll that is from the craft paper that you buy to wrap your Christmas presents in. So, but first of all, we're going to make the hats. So what you're going to need for the hat is yarn of your choice, and I like this kind of cozy, fuzzy yarn, and I found these yarns at my local Dollarama. So we need about 10 inches in length, and I can't tell you how many because we just go along until we get the little hat ring filled up. So I've cut the toilet paper roll at about 3/4 of an inch, so that's what we're starting with. So I'm alternating blue and gray on this one, and I've almost got it finished, but I'll show you how to finish this part now. So I'm taking my gray yarn that's 10 inches, I'm folding it in half, I'm holding the two open ends, and I'm putting the closed end in through the hole and out, and I'm holding those two pieces and I'm pulling that through, and it's going to make a little knot on the end. And then I'm going to take the blue and do the same, folding it in half, holding the two open ends, putting it through. I'm sorry, my camera just went off on me. So back to where we were. I'm just going to fill this up, so I'll do another one, folding my 10-inch strip in half with the closed side up and the open ends in my hand, and I'm going through the little hole and I'm holding them together and I'm pulling them, the closed ends, through. And it looks like we have room for one more blue one. So we'll do the same there. Pull it through. And there we have it. So there, now we have it, it looks like this. So what we do next is, I'm going to push all of these ends that are hanging up through to the top. And this is going to make the little cuff for our hat show. So we'll pull them all down nice, get them all straight. And then I'm going to take a piece of the yarn, lay it down, and I'm just going to tie this in a knot, about like so, on the one side, and then I'm going to flip it around and tie it in a knot on the other side. And then it's going to look like this. So now I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to go around the hat, and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut. So taking my scissors, I'm going to cut all of this extra off, and then we're going to have a little pom-pom on top. So now that I've got the little hat with the pom-pom, what I'm going to do is I took another strip, folded it in half, and I just made a little knot. And I have a wee safety pin, and I'm just going to put my yarn into that safety pin and close it up, and I'm going to thread that through the top of my pom-pom to make a little hanger for my tree. As you see behind me, I have a tree of hats, and I'm going to add this one to my tree of hats. And so there, that was just my way of getting a little hanger on the top. So now that we have our hanger on our hat, it is all done now. So the other thing I have done is I put a piece of cotton ball just up inside the hat, just to kind of keep its shape. And then we're going to hang it onto our tree. I brought the tree a little closer so you can maybe see some of the other hats that I have done. I have even made one into a little gnome here, and maybe we'll do that one day in a video. But the next video that we're going to do is how to do the little hat onto the toilet roll and make a little snowman. So please stay tuned for this tutorial. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe for any upcoming tutorials. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye now.